Dining verbs. Eat, chew, swallow, slurp or sip, drink, slice, spread, hold, toast, peel, bite, dip, stir, pour. Foods. Bread. A bread. A loaf or slice or piece of bread. Two loaves or slices or pieces of bread. Water. A water. A glass of water. Two glasses of water. Coffee beans. A coffee bean. Two coffee beans. Coffee. A coffee. A cup of coffee. Two cups of coffee. Wine. A wine. A glass of wine. Two glasses of wine. A bottle of wine. Two bottles of wine. Orange juice. An orange juice. A glass of orange juice. Three glasses of orange juice. Tea. A tea. A cup of tea. Two cups of tea. Rice. A rice. A bowl of rice. Two bowls of rice. A pizza. Two pizzas. A slice of pizza. Two slices of pizza. A cake. Three cakes. A slice of cake. Three slices of cake. Peanut butter. A peanut butter. A jar of peanut butter. Two jars of peanut butter. Jam. A jam. A jar of jam. Two jars of jam. A cookie. Cookies. A muffin. Muffins. Salad. A salad. A bowl of salad. Two bowls of salad. Check your understanding by taking the quiz through the link below.